Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 Insider video. My name's Ed, and in this video we're going to talk about Windows updates and Windows updates that are getting stuck. And if you run into a situation and you don't want to redo your machine or you want to know how to fix it, well, hopefully this will show you how to fix it. So in my Insider Preview 21399 video, I mentioned that I had a CU that was stuck for .NET. Now, the way to fix that is by simply pausing the update, Windows updates. Now, obviously, I had a previous build last year where the resume updates button was actually gone and I couldn't resume it. I had to wait the 7 days. But in this case, if you do have an issue coming from any other build to 21390 where you have the cumulative update for .NET that's failing or keeps asking you to restart, then simply come in here, pause the updates, then you can resume the update, and the update should then go and re-download that update that keeps trying to install, and then after the reboot you should be back to normal and the update should continue after that. So that's just a quick info on Windows updates that did get stuck. I did experience it, and it at least is a quick fix to get around it instead of reinstalling. So thank you very much for watching.